Hello everyone and welcome to the live trading room recap for Friday, December the 7th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our 100% free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. This is a link for a subscription to Trade Ideas. There's a promo code there for 15% off either on your first month of a standard or premium subscription or the entire year of a standard or premium subscription. I open the room at 9 o'clock every day Eastern time, and I start to share my screen then. Get live on the mic at about 9:05, and I go to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays, 3 o'clock on Fridays. All right, well, I actually was in an internal webinar for a little bit, and very exciting stuff about Brokers Plus. And but anyway, have to talk about this trade here. This is from Holly. This is the alert, guys, right here at 394. Now, the interesting thing for me is that I actually got into this trade at 403. And I stopped myself out at 403. You know, it kind of moved up and then it moved down. But as I said in the room, if it could take out this high right there, I'd be interested again. Actually, it was that high right there. So I re-entered the trade at 420, and look what it's done. So I took some out right there. And actually that is up, that should be up here. When I was doing my webinar, I thought I was going to get out some, or not, when I was listening to the webinar, I thought I'd get out some here, but I'm still in this trade. So this has just turned out to be a fantastic trade from Holly. You cannot beat, I mean, look at this. This is up 20% now from the original entry price. Even from the 420 that I'm in, it's still up a lot. And I also, the big was the other one, actually mentioned that one in the pre-market, as that could be the all-day short. This was one that is an earnings play. And if you look at it on the daily chart, you'll see that it collapsed. I mean, there's really nothing left to hold it up. So I kind of said, well, that could be one of those all-day shorts. And it kind of turned into one. Holly, there was the alert at 32.82. I didn't get in quite there. I got in right here at 32.31, and I've covered some here, and I'm still in it. So just a really nice nice trade. And another one from Holly was the INSP, and there was the alert. Kind of popped around a little bit, but there it is, 39.26. It gets all the way down to 36. I mean, guys, these are big, big moves. And as I say to everybody, am I cherry picking? Of course I am. I'm taking the ones that I consider the best of the batch of all the Holly alerts. I sort them on the risk on profit percent column so I can follow them all day long. I don't care about the ones that didn't do very much. I'm only interested in looking at the strong ones from Holly and using them as a watch list all day long, and that's what I follow. So you know, for me, that's the way, that is for me the only way that I can use Holly effectively, especially when I'm trying to moderate a room and I'm throwing out other ideas all day long. I have to have a way in which I can just track the strong Holly alerts, and that's how I do it. The other one, just for fun, was the Cron. This was a pre-market trade for me. Had all sorts of news. A 1.8 billion U.S. investment by Atria. So that was a rumor earlier on in the week. It came true, and I actually took this trade. I think it was right. It was 1364 break. This is in the pre-market, 1364, and I sold some here and there, and then it just basically is hanging around this area. I think I made a mistake. I think the buyout or the stake is around 11 something US, so it's a little bit above that price. But that really caused a surge in the overall marijuana market, the cannabis market, and then it's kind of faded a little bit once the market opened. But anyway, guys, that's it. Just a tremendous. Oh, I forgot about this one even. This was an early one that I took from Holly. It didn't really do that well, but you know, there was the alert at 827, and I actually ended up taking this trade right here at 833. I sold almost immediately. It popped at 850, and then I sold out flat. But certainly the UXIN, I mean, that was the star of the day. I mean, it's still up 20-odd% from the original entry. So definitely the star of the day. You can see what it did yesterday. got all the way. It's almost you know, almost got to $5 before it collapsed. And but then in the pre-market, we all saw this, and I know I was wondering, is it going to maybe challenge this? And it looks like it could. I mean, it may stall right here at 480, but anyway, just a tremendous trade. So I want to get back into the room. I'm just going to close this down. Hope everybody had a great trading week. You know, it was only a 4-day week with the off day on the Wednesday for the Bush funeral. But I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I'll see you in our trading room bright and early Monday morning. Bye-bye.